Laylatul Qadr is the best night of the year. Laylatul Qadr khayrun min alfi shahr. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says Laylatul Qadr is better than 1,000 months, which comes to the worship of more than 80 years. Just imagine if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives you an opportunity to witness this blessed night, Laylatul Qadr. You will be rewarded of worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for more than 80 years. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq and ability. Because of the great virtue of this night, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed a particular surah with this name in the Quran that is going to be recited until the day of judgment. Inna anzalnahu fi Laylatul Qadr. And one of the reasons for the great virtues of this night is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed His last word, Al-Qur'anul Hakim, in this particular night. Inna anzalnahu fi Laylatul Qadr. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says we reveal the Quran in this night, in Laylatul Qadr. From this we can understand the importance of reciting Quran during Laylatul Qadr as well. So say you have completed your night prayer with the Imam, and now you have more time. Rather than wasting that time in the restaurants, in the markets, and here and there, we should take the opportunity to read the Quran. Connect ourselves with the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.